Experiencing problems with your T-Mobile Money app? Let's address common login issues. First, ensure you're using the correct credentials and have a stable internet connection. Disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with authentication. If you're still locked out, try resetting your password via the T-Mobile website. Many login issues are caused by server outages, a common problem that T-Mobile usually resolves within 24 hours. Be patient. If the app is slow or crashing, clearing the cache can help. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile Money, Storage, Clear Cache. This removes temporary data without deleting user info. On iOS, try force closing the app or reinstalling it. For update failures, make sure you have at least 500 megabytes of free space and a stable Wi-Fi connection. If updates are stalling, uninstall and reinstall the app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Remember, keeping your app updated is crucial for security and performance. As of late 2025, the app is generally stable, but users on older Android OS versions may experience intermittent cache-related crashes.